In this video, we want to focus on basic arithmetic functions in Excel. So first of all, we do a simple addition, which we do by putting the equal sign first and then just using the plus. To do a subtraction, we do the same. We press the equal sign and do the subtraction sign and press enter. To do a multiplication, we also do the equal sign and we use the star as an operator and press enter. And for the division, we use a forward slash. So for example, like this, and we have our result. We could also do a percentage, and we can do an exponentiation. So now we used all the basic arithmetic functions in Excel, and you can see it is really easy to use them. But of course, these are really easy formulas. So in case it gets a little bit more complex, so now we just randomly created a formula and we press enter, and we have our result.